Hi, I'm Alvin Ciano, and this is A1 Minute. This week's winning topic is climate change. Finally, after several months of coming in second place, climate change has won. But before we get into climate change, we have two foundational aspects that lead up to climate change. The first is thermal radiation. It is one of three principal mechanisms of heat transfer. Unlike the other two mechanisms, thermal radiation is exponentially dependent upon temperature to the fourth power, which basically explains why something like the sun at 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, really hot, is still able to heat up something like the Earth, even though it's 100 million miles away. The second concept is greenhouse gases. Things like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, they absorb and emit radiant energy, which keeps everyone on Earth warm. Now, this is a good thing because it makes Earth habitable. Without them, Earth will be about 0 degrees Fahrenheit as opposed to 60 degrees Fahrenheit on average it is now. Now, with that being said, there is a natural fluctuation in temperature and greenhouse gases throughout the year and over a period of many years, but the average is what has been increasing drastically since the Industrial Revolution from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for energy. Now, the increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has led to an increase in the global temperature by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as an increase in carbon dioxide concentration by about 100 parts per million since 1880. As a result, the oceans are affected. We see the melting of ice and an increase in flooding. The weather is affected. We see the increase in storm severity and more frequent heat waves and droughts. Our food is affected. We see a shift in the ecosystem, and also our health is affected by the smog increase we see throughout the world. Now, despite all of this, climate change can be addressed by replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy, by recycling waste, by using bicycles and walking and public transit as opposed to having too many cars on the road, amongst many other things. But in general, climate change really depends on what you want the state of the world to be tomorrow based on what you do today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all next week. Know better, do better, be better.